BurnDown charts are not part of the Scrum framework, but on the other hand, they're a really good way to visualize work remaining. A key reason for using a BurnDown chart among Agile and Scrum teams is that it clearly illustrates work velocity. Velocity means that teamwork effort associated with the user stories or assigned tasks completed during the sprint. Okay, now let's talk about types of BurnDown charts. As we said in the previous lecture, a BurnDown chart is a measurement tool that displays the amount of work remaining alongside the time you have to wrap it up. To completely understand some key information for creating a BurnDown chart, here is a step-by-step guide to assist you in creating a BurnDown chart. Let's start by reviewing some key information. So the first thing to consider is that the Are you ready? Let's get started.